Namaste students. Today going to take the second lesson, whole numbers. Do you hear the word predecessor and successor? What is predecessor? Predecessor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? Before number. Say it. What is the predecessor of 5? What is the predecessor of 5? That is 4. Say it. Then what is the predecessor of 4? 3. What is the predecessor of 3? It is 2. What is the predecessor of 2? 1. Then what is the predecessor of 1? You can say that is 0. Say it. That is 0. So starting the number from 0, that is called whole number. Without 0, when we start from 1, for counting 1, 2, 3, that is called natural number. That is, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. It will goes on. When you add 0 to the in front of 1, the numbers become whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, once again, natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3. It goes on. Then when you add 0 in front of that, it will become whole number. So the whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That means what is whole number? The combination of 0 with the natural number. 0 natural number കൂടെ 0 ചേർത്ത് പറയുന്നതാണ് എന്തോന്ന് whole numbers. That is, natural numbers along with 0 from the collection of whole number, form the collection of whole number. What is whole number? The natural number along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. Okay. So, then the successor. This is predecessor. Next is successor. Successor means after. What is the successor of 3782? If you want to find the successor, you should add 1. See, you should add 1 to the given number. You can get the successor. That is, consecutive numbers are differ by the number 1. അടുത്തടുത്തുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്തോന്നാണ് 1. Okay. Now we can study the number line. Number line. How to draw the number line in natural number? First we say A, the number line in start from natural number. Natural number. We can start in a natural number. We can start the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will goes. In the whole number, how to draw the number line? We should add 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that. Okay. In natural number, how to draw the number line? It will start from 1, 2, 3, etc. In a whole number, the number line will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. You see. Okay, I will ask some questions. Are all natural numbers are whole number? Are all natural numbers are whole numbers? എല്ലാ natural numbers whole number ആണോ? Is it yes or no? All natural numbers are whole numbers. എല്ലാ natural numbers whole numbers ആണ്. See here in the number line, the natural number starts from 1. Here it is inside the whole number. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers. എല്ലാ natural numbers whole numbers ആണ്. Then all whole numbers are natural numbers. Reverse. Are all whole numbers are natural numbers. That means എല്ലാ whole numbers natural number ആണോ? Yes or no? No. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? What is the reason? In a whole number there is 0, but in natural number there is no 0. Whole number le 0 ഉണ്ട്. 0യിലാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പറിൽ 1 നിന്നാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So all whole numbers are not the natural numbers, but all natural numbers are whole numbers. Then which is the smallest natural number? Which is the smallest natural number? See the number line and say which is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. Don't say 0 is the smallest natural number. See the question carefully. Which is the smallest natural number? Okay. So 1 is the smallest natural number. Which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Don't confuse. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. നമ്മുടെ കൺഫ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പർ 1ഉം സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ഹോൾ നമ്പർ 0യും. Okay. Using the number line, we can find addition, subtraction and multiplication. Using the number line, how to find addition, subtraction and multiplication. Using number line. Using number line, find 4 plus 3. So starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why we give the arrow mark? It will goes on. We can extend the line. 4. First start from 0 to 4. Then 3. Take 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Using the number line, we can add the numbers. Next, can you do one more problem? 7 plus 5. Do its own. Okay, we can check the answer. Draw a number line. The number line will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That will go on 7. So start from 0 to 7. Give the arrow forward. Then take 5. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. This is the number line using addition. Next, using the number line, find the subtraction. Next is subtraction. Find it. 5 minus 2 using the number line. So first you draw the number line. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then first number is 5. So take up to 5. This is the forward. Then subtracting. So we come backward. How many numbers we want to come backward? 2 numbers. So this is the 0. 0, 1, 2. Where you are stopping? Now 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Understand? First number is 5. Take 5. Then come backward. See the arrow mark? This is the forward arrow mark. This is the backward arrow mark. So 5 minus 2. 1, 2. You are standing here. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So you can do another one problem. It is 10 minus 4. Can you do? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first, where we want to go? 0 to 10. Forward. Then how many numbers we want to reduce? 4 numbers. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Backward. So 10 minus 4 equal to 6. This is the way to write the number line. Then using the number line, how to find multiplication. Next is multiplication. First question, 4 into 3. How to read? 4 3s are. 4 3s are. This is the time. How many times? This is the number. 4 3s are. 4 into 3. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. 4 3s are എന്ന് പറയണം. 4 3s are. That is 4 times 3. So which number we want to take? 3 in how many times? 4 times. Okay, so see, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3 പറഞ്ഞാൽ പറ്റില്ല. 4 3s are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of time is 4. How many? Which number? 3. 3 in 4 times. That is 3, 3, 3, 3. This is the way. 4 times. So take 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 time. This is 1 time. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the second time. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. Third, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now it is 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So 4 times. 4 into 3. What is the answer? 12. 4. Taking 3, we will jump 4 times. Then next question. 2 3s are. 2 3s are. Can you draw? How many times? 2 times. Which number? 3. We should take 3 in 2 times. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 0 to 2, 1. Not 0 to 2, 0 to 3. 1 time. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 2 3s are 6. Here we have a confusion. Why didn't you take 4 times? 4 in 3 times. You can get the answer, same answer, but the what number line is, there is a change. See here, first problem. 4 3s are. When you take 4 in 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. നമുക്കൊരു ഡൗട്ട് തോന്നാം, ടീച്ചർ എന്തിനാ 4 into 3, ഇപ്പോൾ 3 4 ടൈംസ് എടുത്തത് അല്ലേ? എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് 4 3 ടൈംസ് എടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല? അപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ നോക്കാം. 4 in 3 times. 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same answer you can get. Same answer you will get. But see the number line. See the jumping method. 4 into 3 ആണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പോൾ 4 3s are. 3 is in 4 times. But here see. Here how many jumping is there? Only 3 jumps. That means 3 times 4. 12. Answer is correct. But count the number of jumps. It is the difference. മനസ്സിലായോ? നമ്മുടെ ജമ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് മനസ്സിലാവും. ആൻസർ ഓഫ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് കംസ് അണ്ടർ ദ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. ഇത് 4 × 3 = 3 × 4. 4 3 ടൈംസ് പറഞ്ഞാലും 3 4 ടൈംസ് പറഞ്ഞാലും ആൻസർ ഒന്നാണ്. പക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഡിഫറൻസ് നമുക്കിവിടെ മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. സ്റ്റോപ്പിംഗ് ഹിയർ, വി ക്യാൻ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ.